Alright, so what this video is going to be about is showing 3 examples um, of problems that you're going to be working on from the spiral growth section, and these are number 3, number 11, and number 23A. Okay. And so I'm just gonna step through these. So the first one, so compute the value of each of the following. So remember, whenever you have f sub something, whatever number it is, or whatever the equation is, you're using a Fibonacci's number. Now Fibonacci's numbers, remember, are 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, what's the next one? 21, 34, 55, what's after that? 89, and then 144, I believe. And they keep going, dot, 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 they keep going. So what you're going to do is you're going to fill in whatever this one. So f sub 1 is 1. F sub 2 is 1. F sub 3 is 2. F sub 4 is 3. And F sub 5 is 5. And then all you're going to do is just add these up. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 2 is 4, plus 3 is 7, plus 5 is 12. So your first one would be 12. Now the next one, as you see, all these numbers are underneath, or are the subscript of the f. So we would combine those and then find that number. So we have 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 is 6, plus 4 is 10, plus 5 is 15. So we have f sub 15. And now as you continue this one on to get to 15, you would see you'd get about 610. Okay? And that would be the 15th Fibonacci number when we start with 1, 1. All right, the next one, f sub 3 times f sub 4. So you just take f sub 3, 2, and multiply it by f sub 4, which is 3. Get you 6. This one, since the 3 times 4 is in the subscript, we've got to multiply those together, which would be 12. So we would find f sub 12, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 144. 144. Okay. And now this last one, you see how it says f sub 4, or f sub 4. So we would have to find what f sub 4 is. 1, 2, 3, 4, so it would be 3. So we would find what f sub 3 is, which would be 2. Alright. So again, if it's in the subscript, make sure you calculate it to find what is the number that they're looking for. Alright, now the next one, number 11. Write each of the following integers as the sum of distinct Fibonacci sequence, or Fibonacci numbers. What they mean by distinct is that you can't repeat. So you can't say 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 47 times. Alright. You can't do that. They're trying to avoid you doing that. So again, our Fibonacci numbers, I'm writing down here. (21, 34, 55, 89, and then 144. Alright, so when you have this, a good way of doing it is take the largest Fibonacci number that's below this one. So the largest one below 47 is 34. Okay. So now what's 47 minus 34? Well, if we calculate it, we end up getting 13. Well, that's a Fibonacci number. So if we add 13 to this, all right, there would be our sum, 34 plus 13. Now for 48, as you see, that's one more than the one previous. So if we do the same thing, and then we can add 1, which is also a Fibonacci number, we get our 48. So now 207. So let's say we start with 44. Okay. So that's 207. So we're going to subtract 144 from it. That gets us 63. That's not a Fibonacci's number, so you pick the one that's right below it, which would be 55. So you add 55. Subtract 55 from 63. That would be 5, 13, which looks like it's going to be 8. So then we can add 8 to it. And if you add 144 and 55 and 8, you get 207. Now the last one, the difference between 207 and 210 is 3. And since 3 is a Fibonacci number, we can add 3 into it. 55 plus 8 plus 3. Ta-da! And we did it. Right. So that would be finding the sum of Fibonacci numbers. So what you'd want to do is take the number that's the Fibonacci number that's right below that number, and then see the next one, and so on and so forth, and repeat that until you end up getting a Fibonacci number. All right, now the last one, number 23a, is the only one we're doing. And so you're given that phi to the 5th is 5 phi plus 3, and we want to show that phi to the 6th is 8 phi plus 5. So we want to turn this into that. All right. And we're going to have to show all our steps. So the first thing that we have to do is that since we are only in terms of phi, we want to break this up some way. Okay? Since they give us what phi to the 5th is, why not use it? So phi to the 5th times phi gets us phi to the 6th. Now phi to the 5th we can replace with that, with 5 phi plus 3. So 5 phi plus 3 is being multiplied by phi. Distribute phi into it, getting us 5 phi squared plus 3 phi. Now, in your notes, which you should have taken, outlined, you saw that phi squared ended up being phi plus 1. Right. So now that since we know that, we're going to take this and substitute it in for there. So we're going to get 5 times phi plus 1 plus 3 phi. Distribute the 5. So we got 5 phi plus 5 plus 3 phi. Combine like terms, getting you 8 phi plus 5. And as you see, it's the original. So you can keep doing this over and over and over and over and over and over again until you get the next one. All right. Hopefully this will help with your homework.